Data and objects being replicated by Maxava are collected and stored in the local journal receivers. These journal receivers should be cleaned up on a regular basis. Maxava provide options to being able to manage these journal receivers. So from the graphical user interface, from the tools, there is the replication definition cleanup for the journal receiver. This will allow the Maxava product tool to go and remove journal receivers from the related configuration, and based on a time period, so older than 24 hours, and you can also select whether the receivers should be backed up before they're deleted or if they can be removed from the system immediately. The graphical user interface tool journal receiver cleanup also allows this job to be submitted as a batch job, and you have the parameters which will allow this job to be submitted. You can hold it to be released at a certain time, or you can use the scheduling functionality and you can schedule the process to be run at a given date and a given time. From the green screen, from F20 Tools, again you have the tool sets which allow you to work with information. So option 5, journal receiver cleanup. Again, you can specify a configuration name, the local receivers or remote receivers if you're on the backup system, the date time period, so 24 hours is the default, whether the receivers are deleted, yes or no, from saved, and you can also choose to run this as a batch job. There's also the mxconfig cleanup command, and again you can choose which type that you want, so you can do local receiver cleanup or remote receiver cleanup depending if it's the source or target system. And this will allow the Maxava product and tools to remove old journal receivers that are no longer required on the system. This will reduce the DASD and also keep the environment as clean and tidy as possible. This should be scheduled on a daily basis or as and when required.